Hello, I'm Matthew, and today we're going to be going over the Scarlett Studio, made by Focusrite. The Scarlett Studio is an all-in-one USB-made studio, great for podcasting, music production, and so on and so forth. It's a very cheap studio, but with good quality. Today we're going to unbox it. I'll show you what it's like. We'll go through the audio settings, and then afterwards, I'll give you a good detour of what it's like to use it and how it can be used in everyday life. With all that said, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get into it. First thing I have to say about Focusrite's packaging is that it's very professional and neat. Now, I've used this studio before, and believe me when I say I'm not the best organizer. I put everything back in the box to show you how it fits. Now let us open it. Upon opening the box, you'll see the three following items, along with some cables which I took out the box. You'll see a pair of headphones, the studio interface, and then the microphone itself. After unpackaging, it'll give you a set of instructions to set up your studio. Alright, so you hear me talking through the microphone from the setup, right? Like I said, great audio, amazing quality. I like the sleek black and red design. It goes with this setup very well. You can find this on Amazon, or you can find it at Guitar Center. Either way, all the other studio equipment there is very expensive. However, if you look at this one, it is very, very affordable. So if you're looking for a great at-home studio, then you know that this is definitely going to be the one for you.